All right, so now let's head into subtraction. And so I already have the rule for subtraction right out for you guys. I want to make sure that you guys write this out for yourselves as well, just as a little reminder. So for when you're doing homework and if you need to come back to your notes for a reminder. But when we are subtracting linear equations, all we are going to do is we're going to add the opposite of each term in the expression. So go ahead and pause this if you need a couple seconds to write that out. But we're just going to add the opposite of each term in the expression. I'm going to show you guys what I mean by that. So in A, I'm going to go ahead and use our vertical method. So we're going to have 5x plus 6, and we're going to add the opposite of everything that's in this expression. So we're adding the opposite of negative x is x, and then the opposite of positive 6 is negative 6. And then we're just going to add those together. And notice I wrote that out as x minus 6. If you are more comfortable with having the 5x plus 6 plus x plus negative 6, you can. But again, it's the exact same thing. But you just write whatever that you feel most comfortable with. So if we have positive 6 minus 6, or positive 6 plus negative 6, we are just going to be left with 0. So you can just leave that blank, or you can add that 0 down there just as a reminder. And then last but not least, we have 5x plus 1x, which is just 6x. So our answer here is 6x. All right, so we just did the vertical method. So on B, I'm going to try out the horizontal method to show you guys how that works. So first things first, as you guys notice, we have that 2 on the outside. So we have 2 of the 4y minus 3. So I encourage you guys, if you want to try to pause this video now and try the vertical adding method, the repeat addition, go ahead and do that now. Otherwise, we can just go ahead and distribute across. So 2y plus 2 times 4y is 8y. And then 2 times 3, we have minus 6, or plus negative 6. So now I can go ahead and I can add. So I can list them out horizontally, 7y plus 5 plus the opposite of what we have here. So we have plus negative 8y plus 6. So now we can go ahead and we can group these together. So we can group them together by saying 7y plus negative 8y, because these have the same variables, and then plus 5 plus 6. So let's go ahead and simplify that. So if we have 7 plus negative 8y, we are just going to get negative y, or negative 1y. But saying negative 1y and negative y, it's the same thing, because as you guys know that we just covered, this is just saying we have 1y. And then we have our 5 plus 6, which is 11. So our answer here is negative y plus 11. Negative y plus 11.